Hello and welcome to my video all about how to knit mistake rib. The reason this is called mistake rib is that you're misaligning the knit and purl stitches and not lining them up as you would in normal ribbing. The resulting pattern is actually a lot like cartridge rib, except cartridge rib is smooth and this mistake rib has little bumps of yarn either side of the ridges. You might recognise these bumps as seed stitch, which is where you alternate between knits and purls. Okay, so to begin, you need to cast on a multiple of 4 stitches. I cast on 16. To do this, I use the long tail cast on, but you could use your favourite method. For row number 1, you need to start by knitting 2. Then bring the working yarn between the needles to the front and purl 2. As always, the working yarn needs to be at the back behind the needles for knit stitches, and at the front towards you for purl stitches. Then take the working yarn between the needles to the back again and knit 2 stitches. Then bring the working yarn to the front again and purl 2. And you simply repeat knit 2, purl 2 until the end of the row. So that's knit 2, purl 2, and so on. Just note that because we start this row with 2 knit stitches and end with 2 purl stitches, this side of the knitting will be unsymmetrical. Row 2 is where we need to misalign the knits and the purls, so we begin with 1 purl stitch. Then you take the working yarn between the needles to the back and you knit 2 stitches. Then purl 2, and then you simply repeat knit 2, purl 2 until you've only got 1 stitch remaining. So knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, and so on. And then 1 purl stitch completes this row. Because this row begins and ends with a purl stitch, this side of the knitting will be symmetrical. And now you simply repeat these 2 rows over and over. And this will be the result. As you can see, the fabric is reversible. And that's it, that's how you knit mistake ribbing. I really hope you found that useful and thank you very much for watching.